Hello, today I'm Inside Leon. In this video I'll show you how to navigate through instrument cluster display. In the beginning, take a look at the right side of the steering wheel. We are going to use these buttons to navigate through instrument cluster. Firstly, this button is for selecting screen. Thanks to this button, we can change menu. Thanks to View button, we can change view of the instrument cluster. Let's start with the classic menu. Firstly, we can check range, consumption, since refueling, fuel gauge, oil and coolant temperature, average speed, since refueling, fuel used, travel time since refueling, assistant menu. In the center screen, we can find assist systems and assistant menu. On the screen on the right side, we can find compass, route guidance, smartphone menu, and media player. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.